How's it going today, guys? Me and Mark here are starting to put together this motor.
It's Andrew! Andrew, that guy's gonna be famous. You don't know it yet, but that man just has all these freaking like 12-year-olds following him around the track. It's pretty cool. Wish I could be like him.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Okay, but back on topic. Kind of forgot to record the first part, but better late than never. Oh my fuck. Better late than never. Tranny and lower end are all together for the most part. Oh, come on.
It's a tranny?
Yep. Gold bolts on it are looking pretty, you know, pretty hood if you ask me. But we'll update you when we get further. We're gonna be, you know, installing these head bolts here. Or not head bolts, cylinder bolts. Just a couple dabs of, you know, the blue Loctite. Make sure they don't come out, you know. Mark, fuck off. Oh, son of a bitch. You're about to make me lose that goddamn bolt. Or stud. Okay.
Oh yeah, I got it.
You gotta hold that fucking focus thing. You see, it's gonna be out of focus, I guarantee it.
What's the focus then?
You gotta hold the, you gotta two-hand it. That's why it's hard.
Where's the focus? This guy?
You gotta hold it. Yeah, see, it's focusing. Mark, get out of here.
So in case you guys are wondering how Andrew's stuff's always so clean, he tells you he vapor hones. That's a load of BS. Perfect match, color match. That's all you gotta do, just cover it up. Don't clean it, cover it up.
You might be out of focus. Is it out of focus? Is it out of focus?
It's never out of focus when you got perfect match, color match.
So we're installing, Mark. So this is a different type of video today, obviously. We're installing some studs here, you know, some gold ones.
Would you like to explain how to install a stud?
Okay, you're gonna take two of the, you know, the cylinder bolts or nuts, and you're gonna want to put them together, you know, with your handy dandy 214 millimeters that these require. And then, you know, just back them off when you're done. And voila kazam. Good as new. Cut. 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 Mark, cut the goddamn clip.
Next project down here, we're gonna throw some mud and tires on the Kubota, taking her out, get some nice mud bogs going. Ooh. It's a Suzuki graveyard around here. Look at all them lost souls.
How's it going today, guys? Well, actually not how's it going. Welcome back. We got basically the whole motor together, minus a few little hiccups. But yeah, it's coming along. Basically, it's like 11, 12 o'clock now, call it a night, but everything's all ready to be, you know, put back together. I'm just beat right now, but yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one.